County in southwestern Oklahoma.
Dude, he came out of nowhere.
In central Oklahoma.
What the heck?
Seattle County
No,
in
you literally
southwestern
filed
Oklahoma. Northeastern Cotton County in southwestern
The Soki
Oklahoma.
info is pre-filled
Northwestern
for you,
Stevens
so you can
County
file quickly
in
and
southern
confidently
Oklahoma.
like the
East
boss
central
that you
Kiowa
are.
County in southwestern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight
The
Time.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma.
To 4 miles southeast of Locking to 4 miles north of
Warning for
Walters.
Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma. Southwestern Green County.
Include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar.
Entire year, plus at 3.
In Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the 11th west.
Locations impacted include
Everyday thing.
Duncan, Anadarko,
Cease to surprise me, but
Neither Apache, Geronimo, Wood Springs, Pritchard, Seville, Sterling.
It's what they hear from the cashier.
this is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are hail damage.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Expect
lowest
wind
floor of
depth.
a building.
Trump Radio Defense Fund.
Patients
Anything to do.
Duncan, Anadarko, Marlow, Walters, Cash, Elgin, Apache, Geronimo.
Jeez. You came out of absolute nowhere. What in the world? I didn't think this was gonna reach us. Dude, we're not even under a significant risk. Not really. Look at this. Oh, come on, stop. Look at this. We aren't even under this risk. And we still got something? Oh my gosh. Hudson must be freaking out right now. Jeez, hold on. Hey. Hey, buddy. No, not... Hey, buddy. Something just happened. Yeah. That came out of nowhere. I was literally listening to WarioWare freaking things. Oh, great, now it's calling me. I was just listening to Wario fandoms I made a while ago, and that just came out of nowhere. What the heck? What a sudden coincidence. Well, not a coincidence, but what a sudden warning. Holy crap.